Put your hands out the window.
Don't move.
I ain't moving. What's up?
Don't worry about it. You keep your freaking hands out the window and shut your mouth.
Because I don't know what you're doing inside this car. Hiding guns, you know what I mean? Officer safety is number one. So pull over immediately.
It's not criminals being exposed here, but the way some police officers overstepped their authority, bent the law, and pushed the situation far too far.
Because what you did is called fail to obey. It's a fleeing charge and it's a felony 3.
Okay.
If you'd like to go to jail on a felony charge, I'm good with it.
I will not.
All right.
No weapons or anything like that? All right, I'm gonna take you out like this just to check. Okay, go first that one for me.
When police ignore the law, ordinary citizens immediately become the victims. Just seconds after the police lights came on, a single sentence was enough to send the traffic stop spiraling out of control.
Turn the car off. Turn it off. Turn it off. Put your hands out the window. Put your hands out the window.
Don't move. I ain't moving. What's up?
Can you unlock it?
Huh? Reach right there. Man, just
Don't worry about it. You keep your freaking hands out the window and shut your mouth. I'll figure it out. Yeah.
He's riding.
What's up, officer? What's going on? How you doing?
What is going on?
Come on, you gonna buckle me? I'm traveling. What's up? I ain't doing shit now. Come on. Okay. I don't know what I did.
Act like you didn't want to stop.
Hey.
What you mean? I got put up in a safe spot. Okay.
You have a medical marijuana card, sir?
Oh.
No. Smoking?
No, 240. Just want a voicemail to have you do. I'll put it in the
The man tried to calmly explain his reasoning, but instead of being heard, the pressure from the police only continued to escalate.
Hey, what's that?
All right. Sounds good.
What's up with this?
Have a seat. I got everything out of his pockets. All right, give me your shoe.
I'm someone law-abiding citizen. You know?
Well, right now, you might be going to jail.
For what?
I'll talk to you about that in a second. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in court. You have the right to talk to an attorney. So, what makes this spot safer for you than where I tried to stop you?
I mean, y'all hit the lights on me. I ain't want to pull in the middle of the road. That's dangerous for y'all. I didn't want to pull in a well-lit area. You get y'all out of traffic.
Okay.
I ain't stupid.
So, do you think that making a safe spot for us is something that you're authorized to do?
I mean, I ain't think they require authorization. I'm trying to be safe just like y'all. I ain't posing a threat. I seen y'all something
Wait,
at the
so are
store.
you trying to be safe? You're trying to find a safe spot for you or for me?
For both of us.
No, you don't get to do that.
Okay, that's understandable.
You can make a claim that you're trying to make a safe spot for you. Is that what you're doing?
Yeah.
All right, why is this spot safer than that spot?
It's a well-lit area. I mean, it's not in the middle of the road.
Do you see all those street lights down there?
I understand what you're saying,
So
but
why is this spot more well lit than down there?
I mean, what was so detrimental between me stopping right there and stopping right here?
Well, actually, I'd like to ask you that. Why did you keep driving?
I just told you that. I just told you that. Why would
There's
I
a
want
lot
to
of
stop in the
moving
middle of the road?
around in that car.
You just looked in it.
There's a lot of moving around whenever I have my lights
I
on.
rolled the windows down, put my driver's license, my registration in the window. That's the shit y'all supposed to ask when y'all first pull somebody over, right? Y'all ain't do none of that. Come on, I'm not supposed to stop a
First of all-
law-abiding citizen.
The man kept asking questions, trying to understand what was happening, but each attempt to explain himself only made the situation more tense.
I'm having a conversation with you, right?
No, you're trying to talk over me and you're trying to set up a defense for yourself. Because what you did is called fail to obey. It's a fleeing charge and it's a felony 3.
Okay.
If you'd like to go to jail on a felony charge, I'm good with it.
I will not.
All right. Well, then quit trying to talk your way out of this and just talk to me and actually tell the truth, because I'm not stupid, okay? I know you're trying to play me.
Okay.
So why didn't you stop?
I just told you why I didn't
Because
stop.
you think
I
that
had no
you think
other
you're
reason.
smarter than everyone
Look what you
else.
just did. You just snatched me out my car. I rolled the windows down
Why?
and gave my license, my registration. You ain't read me no right. You snatched me out the car.
You're damn right I did. Why did I do that? Why?
I don't know. I had the slightest idea.
How about because
Run my name.
for 300 yards I had my lights. How many different sirens did I turn on?
Listen, I'm a black man in
I'm
America.
asking you a question.
I'm terrified of the police.
Mr. Black Man, I'm asking you a question. How many different sirens did I turn on? How many times did I lay on my horn?
I have this, like, when you said pull over, I pulled over. You said throw the keys out of the car, I complied.
No, when I said pull over, it was back there when I turned my lights and sirens on. Get in the car.
Okay. Damn, you know the more.
Get in the car. Shut your mouth.
Amid the tension, an unexpected decision was made, not because everything had been clarified, but seemingly because the police no longer had enough grounds to take it any further.
Atlantic Boulevard.
Well, the store?
Yeah, pawn shop.
You did the paperwork?
Yeah, it might be in the car.
Okay.
It
Well,
might
when'd
be
you
in the
get
car. It's been within a year.
it? Okay. So you did all the paperwork, the background check and everything?
Yeah.
So why would they, how come you can buy a gun but you can't have a CWL?
Hey, so what's the process of buying a gun, right? You go through the background. I've bought guns my whole life, bro. I'm a veteran. I served 10 years in the
So
military.
then why wouldn't you be able to get CWL is what I'm trying to get to.
But why is that an issue within my legal limit? That's what I don't understand.
Because I'm wondering if you're a prohibited possessor or just prohibited from purchasing or from what?
If I was prohibited from
I
purchasing,
know.
I would not be able to
You don't need to know what it
purchase a gun.
means. I know what it means.
Right or wrong, right? If I don't
I know what it means. You don't need to know what it means. I'm just trying to ask questions to determine which category you fall into.
Why, if I'm within my legal limit, why does any of that matter?
What is legal limit?
If I can purchase a firearm, I can ride with it in my vehicle, right? If it's in the
I don't
trunk,
know. That's why I'm asking.
That's the law I studied, the Florida gun law. That's the law I abide by.
Great.
Well, I don't understand where these questions going. Like, it's
All right. So here's what we're gonna do, okay? I'm not going to take you to jail for felony, right? A fleeing charge. Even though you are eligible, it would not be hard to explain why I believe that. But I'm gonna give you the benefit of the doubt and go ahead and say that I think you truly just were severely mistaken about the law. Well, that's not safe for anybody. It's not safe for you. It's definitely not safe for me. Okay?
In Florida, if police officers abuse their authority and make an unlawful arrest, they may face disciplinary action or termination and be sued in civil court for violating constitutional rights. Such police conduct can lead to internal complaints, civil lawsuits, and personal liability for the officers involved. Up next, the traffic stop began as routine until a small detail changed everything.
How you doing, sir?
Good.
All right.
What's up?
Deputy Troy with the sheriff's office. The reason
Okay.
I'm stopping you is your plate's obstructed. Yeah. Whatever that thing's got, you got to take it off, okay?
Okay.
It's got to be visible within a certain distance. Now, when you went to driving school and a cop pulls you over, what they tell you?
Oh, you pull over when it's safe to do.
No, you pull over immediately. Okay? Let me tell you this. And now you pull over immediately
Sure.
because I don't know what you're doing inside this car.
Sure. Yeah.
Hiding guns, you know what I mean? Obviously, safety is number one.
Yeah.
So pull over immediately. If, for whatever reason, I find it not safe,
Yeah.
I'll get on the PA and say, hey, turn over at whatever stop. You know what I mean? But
Yeah.
when you keep rolling, it makes it go to from like just a routine deal to
Yeah, I
like...
just didn't want to stop right there where there's nowhere to pull over.
Yeah, well, I initially turn on right when you were in front of that little
I could've
store.
wanted to get, sure, yeah.
Yeah, so you know what I mean?
But you was like way back there. I didn't know if you're running sirens for me or for you.
Well, and then even then, when you see sirens going, what are you supposed to do? Still keep going or pull over so the cop can go past you?
Sure.
You know what I mean?
Yeah. No, I know, we trained together. You're
Yeah.
the gangman, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, so who are you?
Oh, I'm
I guess I
Anton Laganoff, yeah. Former NC, and I used to work security at Harris.
Oh, okay.
I'm a contractor.
Okay.
A routine decision by the driver was met with suspicion, instantly making the atmosphere tense.
No weapons or anything like that?
Nah.
All right, I'm gonna take you out like this just to check. Okay, go fist that one for me. Put that down for now, and then I'll get it for you. So you're not like law enforcement, right? You're not a law enforcement officer?
Yeah.
Huh?
What?
Are you a cop?
No.
Okay, so you said you work security, right? Okay.
I'm a security contractor.
Copy. Whose car is it? Who?
So I'm gonna put these on for now, okay? Because want to relax? There you go, see how it makes it better?
Yeah, I do contract work, so I have to have lights on this vehicle.
Where'd you get this?
That's issued to me
Issued to you?
by my previous
Federal Bureau of
Okay.
Investigation badge?
So I'm gonna read you your rights too, okay? Because you're handcuffed, you know what I mean? So I feel more comfortable that way.
That's fine.
So the other right to remain silent, anything you say can and will be used in the court of law.
Yeah.
If the right to talk to an attorney, have him present with you prior to any questioning you wish one.
Sure.
If you cannot afford one will be provided to you by the courts. Okay, have your rights in mind, you wanna talk to me? Let me see this thing over here. No guns, right?
Yeah.
Inside the car?
Yeah.
Okay. Cool, because like I said, man, too, there's money in. Okay. Put that back in, so I'll put it in the bag, okay? So the reason that you're in cuffs, okay, is per NRS, unless you're a sworn.
What began as a few initial questions suddenly escalated. Handcuffs appeared, even though nothing was clear yet.
Nah,
Never been arrested?
not as an adult, no.
Doesn't just as juvenile?
Yeah.
What is this, Nevada, State of Nevada, private investigator. So I see, I mean, and you're an investigator.
Sure.
Cool.
Yeah.
But then you're also
I'm a contractor for Southwest Gas.
for
Corporation.
Southwest. That's like
That's
your
here, yeah.
That's your primary job.
Yeah, it's my part-time job, and I have my own cybersecurity company. Yeah.
Okay. So this is
That's where I was headed to right now. To
okay.
log my partner back into his computer because he got locked out.
Okay. And then this right here. This did you work?
That's a guard card. Yeah, that's a Nevada. That's PIOB, Private Investigators Licensing Board. That's an issued guard card.
Yes. And this, I mean, you're allowed to. I mean,
Sure,
you get
yeah.
this because you
Yeah,
private
yeah.
security or
Yeah, yeah.
private investigation. Maybe I think my wife's cheating on me.
Sure.
And I hire you, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Would that be what it be?
Yeah,
I can hire
yeah,
you and
sure,
be like,
yeah.
hey,
Yeah,
go follow my wife or do
Yeah.
whatever, right?
Yeah, yeah,
Is this? But you have to go through.
No. I'm also I'm a cybersecurity researcher. Also, I don't have to do all of that. To hire me as a PI, I don't even need that. You can hire me as a hacker.
So what did you get this?
That's what I've worked previously. Yeah. And that's my guard card for current. When I work as a guard, I'm licensed to do so.
As a guard.
As a security officer or a private.
Oh, like a guard. Okay.
Sure. Yeah. With PIOP.
Can you check this one, sir, too? Maybe that number will
Hey,
come back to something.
since you got the badge, where's your creds at? Where's your federal creds at?
I don't know because I'm not paying
You have an FBI badge. Okay, I used to be a task force officer with the FBI.
Okay, which task?
Items that seemed harmless suddenly became the focus, and from that point on, a series of assumptions began to take shape.
Go ahead, have a seat, man. Yeah, pull the boat for the.
Talk to Special Agent 2.
Said he's a hacker too. But yeah, that right there. Do they rot those there?
No.
It looks like an eBay one or something.
Hey, I brought you a something for the fentanyl. It's one of those things you spray yourself down with.
Okay. Yeah, I should have gloves on right now. Which I will. Just in case. X-ray 5, one in custody.
I'll just keep this up here. You got a medical bag up here?
It's in the back. But yeah, you put it up there for me for now. On the seat.
As time passed, the biggest question was no longer who he was, but how far this traffic stop had gone. When power is no longer bound by law and conscience, any ordinary citizen can become a victim. Hey everyone, what do you think about this situation? If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and support us with a donation. Thank you so much.